वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम टू मिस्टिक इको टैरेट। आज जो हम रीडिंग करने जा रहे हैं वो रीडिंग है व्हाट्स कमिंग नेक्स्ट इन 30 डेज। आज की रीडिंग आपको बताएगी आपके आने वाले 30 दिन में क्या होने वाला है। ये एक टाइमलेस मैसेज है और मैंने पहले से ही गाइस आप लोगों के लिए कार्ड ऑलरेडी शफल करके निकाल के रखे हुए हैं। इस चीज़ के लिए आप टेंशन मत दीजिएगा कि कार्ड पहले से ही है। इट्स जस्ट कि एनर्जी वाइज वी ऑलरेडी शफल द कार्ड एंड पिक द energies through the spirit. This is a timeless message around movement, clarity, and new energies coming in your life. What I can see with this card. So just take a deep breath and let this message meet you where you are. The energy for the next 30 days I feel is active but very chaotic. This is movement after stillness, clarity after confusion, progress after waiting. Something that has felt uncertain is beginning to take clearer shape. तो जो पहले आपको काफ़ी हद तक ऐसा लग रहा था कि आपकी लाइफ में वो चीज़ नहीं हो पाएगी, एक अनसर्टेनिटी के दौर से आप गुजर रहे थे, तो आपको एक क्लियर पिक्चर दिखनी शुरू हो जाएगी। एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग कमिंग थ्रू इज अवेयरनेस। यू विल बी अवेयर जो वॉट एवर इज नो लॉन्गर नीडेड, जो आपके लिए रिक्वायर्ड ही नहीं है। Awareness of what you have outgrown and something you can no longer ignore emotionally, because sometimes the first shift is not the opportunity, it's the truth that prepares you for it. So there is a very strong energy of communication. This could be a message, a reply, जो भी आप expect कर रहे हो, invitation, information that changes your direction. And guys, ये किसी person के through भी हो सकता है, किसी event के through भी हो सकता है. It completely depend on your situation, what situation you actually are in, and it moves you from confusion to clarity. Even if things still feel quiet right now, don't mistake quiet for nothing happening. This is movement behind the scene. There is also a personal shift happening with you, which I can see, and you are becoming less available for training patterns जो आप पहले से follow करते आ रहे थे। आपकी लाइफ में एक ट्रेनिंग पैटर्न्स चलते आ रहे थे, इमोशनली, फाइनेंशियली, मेंटली आप ड्राउन हो रहे थे, ओल्ड कन्फ्यूजन्स चल रही थी, इमोशनल साइकिल्स आपको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही थी. So they are no longer in your future. You may start choosing differently, valuing peace, and whichever is no longer feeling the need to prove your worth. And this is powerful. In the next 30 days, there is one clear movement of progress as well. I can see a step, an opportunity, or a realization. As you can see the star card here, so you will be able to see an opportunity. You will be able to feel a realization that changes your direction. It may not happen out or once, but it will shift your momentum. And remember, not every important change arrives loudly. Some of the biggest shift first arrive as a quiet feeling, a subtle yes, a calm knowledge, and sometimes you have to be very calm. You have to be in peace that something is finally moving. So what's coming in the next 30 days, if you ask me, there is a moment for you, there is a awareness for you, and there is a real progress for you. Even if it begins quietly, trust what is unfolding. Move with honesty. And if this reading resonates with you, guys, please comment, claim, and follow this Mystic Eco Tarot channel for more timeless guidance.